Dubai is slowly reopening some businesses that had been ordered shut to stop the spread of coronavirus. But it's the failure to pull down the shutters on people suspected of money laundering and terrorist financing that could cause another serious financial headache for the Emirate and the 6 others which form the United Arab Emirates. Investigators from the Paris-based Financial Action Task Force found that there's a high risk that criminals will try to launder money or finance terrorism through the UAE. The FATF says there's little investigation of or prosecution for money laundering, and there's minimal formal international cooperation with countries investigating financial crimes.
The FATF does have a system whereby we look at countries with continued and significant strategic deficiencies that represent a risk to the international financial system. I can't say at this point whether the country is going to fall into that process. What I can say is that the country now has its roadmap and its recommendations to follow. We fully expect that they will do that. We've already seen a high-level political commitment there to get things going, and we will assess their progress next year, and then we'll decide from there.
Dubai is one of the world's largest financial hubs, not far behind London, New York and Hong Kong. Financial services make up almost 9% of the UAE's GDP.
A lot of the money they make, it's driven by secrecy, and addressing that would mean shining a light on a lot of the schemes and making information available that are not in the interest of those who actually like to put their money there or invest in there. So definitely there is a trade-off there, or even a conflict there.
If the UAE fails to tackle money laundering, it could find itself on the task force's grey list, along with countries including Pakistan, Syria and Yemen. That means financial institutions could be reluctant to do business there, and the cost of borrowing will be higher. Bernard Smith, Al Jazeera.